Hi, I'm Nick from Wildwood Instruments. Just introducing you today to our brand new banjo making courses. So you may be aware that we run electric kick guitar making courses where we've got 12 different guitar models that you can choose from, and over a weekend we'll show you how to put together one of those guitars. We also run a cigar box guitar making course, which is a one-day course. And now we're introducing kit banjo making course. So it's a lovely instrument. But, as you can see, it's a 5-string banjo. And we start off with the parts like this. We have the ring, which is this is a Sapele ring, which is a beautiful timber. It's a sustainable mahogany replacement. So as you can see, it comes up beautifully under an oil finish. We've got a Remo head that goes on top of that. We've got the neck, which is Akimi timber, rosewood fretboard there. We run through all in one day. We'll assemble this whole guitar, do a full sand, we oil it, we do a fret level and a fret dress on your neck. We'll clean it right up. We assemble it all. There's a lot of hardware in the banjo, so we spend a while putting all that together. Tension the head, set up the intonation, string height, run through the whole lot, cut in the nut to turn it into a fully functional working banjo, all in one day. So it's all good fun. If you head over to the website, you can see the available dates that we have for the banjo course, and you can place a booking there. It's $4.99, and that includes all the parts, all the fun of putting it all together under expert tuition, and you end up with a beautiful banjo at the end of the course. Yeah, head over to the website and come and join the fun.